Hello everyone, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I will introduce how to choose the right size of MaggieFrame for your Melco embroidery machine and compare the Melco tubular embroidery hoops with the MaggieFrames for your reference. As we know, the Melco embroidery machine has three hoop lengths: 395mm, 475mm and 580mm. Okay, let's start. The Melco embroidery hoops have two versions. This is the old version, this is the new version. You will see the old version and the new version, the inside dimension is exactly the same. I just do the two sizes, but the other size is also the same. So in this video, I will do the new version Melco hoops with the MaggieFrame magnetic hoop cooperation. The first two Melco hoops are these. The inside dimension is 90mm round and 120mm round. And the most close size of MaggieFrame is the 100mm by 100mm square. That means 3.9 inch by 3.9 inch. You see the two size comparison. If you use these two sizes, the 90mm round or 120mm round, the 100 by 100mm square is your good choice. The third Melco embroidery hoop is this. The inside dimension is 150 round, and compared with our MaggieFrame, this one is 130mm by 130mm. That means 5.1 inch by 5.1 inch. Let's do the comparison. You see, the inside area is very close, and the MaggieFrame magnetic hoop, the inside area is a little bit bigger. And this is the perfect size for the left or right chest logo embroidery. This is a very popular size and a very common use size. This is the fourth Melco hoop. The inside dimension is 180mm round, and compared with our MaggieFrame, the most close MaggieFrame is 175mm by 175mm square. That means 6.9 inch by 6.9. Let's do the comparison. You will see the MaggieFrame have a bigger embroidery area. This is the fifth hoop in hand. Inside dimension is 210mm round. And compared with our MaggieFrame, the most close size of MaggieFrame is this one. The inside dimension is 215mm by 230mm. That means 8.5 inch by 9 inch. Let's do the comparison. This is the sixth hoop in hand. The inside dimension is 300mm by 306mm. The most close size of MaggieFrame is this one in hand. The inside dimension is 265mm by 350mm. That means 10.5 inch by 12.4 inch. Let's do the comparison. You will see their inside dimension is very close. If you have this 7 hoop in your hand and the inside dimension is 300mm by 440mm, we also have very close size of MaggieFrame for you to choose. The most close size of MaggieFrame is this one. The inside dimension is 350mm by 395mm. That means 12.4 inch by 15.6 inch inside dimensions. Let's do the comparison. If your Melco machine can accept the hoop length 580mm, you can use this hoop, this magnetic hoop. This is the biggest Melco hoop. The inside dimension is 420mm by 440mm. And let's compare with the MaggieFrame. The most close size of MaggieFrame is this one. The inside dimension is 430 mm by 390 mm squares. That means 17 inch by 15.5 inch. Let's do the comparison. You will see the embroidery size is very close. Except the A size of the MaggieFrame, I just do the comparison with the tubular hoop. We also have another A size for you to choose for different embroidery projects. For example, this hoop we have is 195 mm by 70 mm. That means 7.6 inch by 2.7 inch. This size is mainly for the sleeve and also for some baby clothes. This size is 320 mm by 100 mm. That means 12.6 inch by 3.9 inch. This is for the trousers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit to find the right size of MaggieFrame which you need for your embroidery work. If you have interest to get more information about MaggieFrame size or how to use the MaggieFrame, please subscribe to our channel. We will bring more information, skills and experience to you. Thank you for your time. See you next time.